Hello, kids. For your reading today, Friday, September 11th, I just want you to relax with a book, enjoy some independent reading time. You can hold a book in your hands and read the pages and flip the pages in a comfortable spot, or if you'd like to dig into our virtual library here on on our Boundaries unit, you can look at some books there. In the Epic catalog, there are plenty of books to choose from in that space. The Access 360 is the Indianapolis-Marion County Public Library app. Any of those places would be great places to find a book. But basically, I want you to just relax, enjoy. Readers like to read, readers spend time reading. And so that's what I want you to do today. Get lost in a book, enjoy your time reading. Happy Friday.